Draw a shape in form of a purse or a small bag for her head. Place guidelines or vertical and horizontal lines on your shape. Draw her hair and a guideline for her body. Begin drawing her body. Draw the first half of an oval shape, then a circle under it, and finish by creating rectangle shapes for her legs. Draw her arms and hands. For this picture she is saying hi. Draw then her right hand raised and her left hand on the side of her body. Sketch her shoes. Copy the shape of a boot in order to be able to draw her shoes. Clean up your drawing. Leave your guidelines and rub out some inside lines in order for your start sketching other details on Dora. Add now her clothes. Draw her pink shirt, orange shorts, yellow socks and shoes. Sketch in her face. Draw her 3 bangs, eyes and lopsided grin. Add her backpack, a bunch of circles for her bracelet and some lines to emphasize her hands and shorts. Outline your drawing. To outline, draw thick lines on your drawing and erase guidelines and inside lines. Color your drawing. Use the illustration to copy the colors used on Dora. In coloring Dora's hair, try coloring the lines of her hair brown and coloring the spaces inside her hair black.